When Brad came on the scene, I had some reservations. He had a temper. His opinion was the only opinion. I remember thinking, what the heck does Amie see in this guy? But then it hit me. This guy's Peter Andre. Woo! My big sister bravado was broken down as he treated Amie with the love, respect and kindness a woman truly deserves. But put them together and these two people are hardcore, right? We all know they fight hard, but I think I know better than anyone else, mainly because I'm their third wheel, that both Amie and Brad love harder than anyone else I know.
Amie, I vow to honour, respect and accompany you on our journey through life, through the highs and the lows, through the adventures and the obstacles. There is nothing more proud for me knowing that I will stand by you and our beautiful family, trying my best to guide, teach, be taught, learn, develop skills and to navigate this path of life. I will love and cherish the memorable moments and always do my best to be there for you and our children. But most of all, I want to strive to be the partner you deserve.
8 years ago, I fell in love with a man who was honest, trustworthy, reliable, and always made me feel safe. Every day since then, you have worked hard to help us achieve what we have today. Roman and Georgia were gifted to us, and they are so lucky to call you their dad. Today I promise to love our family with everything that I have. I promise to be the best wife and mother that I can be. I want to show our children the commitment that we have made. The commitment to love one another, respect one another, care for each other, empathise with each other, and value the life that we have built together. Thank you for always making me feel loved and special.
I'm sure everyone will agree that Roman did an absolutely fantastic job of walking his mum down the aisle, and he's been waiting for this moment for a very long time. So now, Roman, are you happy to see your mum and dad get married?
Yes.
Oh.
I'll pronounce you husband and wife. Brad, you know what it is.
So Amie, although
although he is hard work, and we know he is, right, you found yourself a very strong, loving, committed companion. And I think he will be the foundation of your family. He's someone that you can call on, and he's someone that you can proudly call your husband now. Brad has slowly grown from that person that we all know as Hulk into this very responsible parent and human being. He's now got this family of his own, which is, you know, is his reason for existence.
Amie, you're absolutely stunning today. So beautiful. You're a knockout. You're a 10 in my eyes, and you're mine.